Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I could not wait any longer. I had to get into the autumn nails. I am starting off doing a sample set for my Etsy shop. So these are press-on nails I'm going to put on my Etsy shop for sale. And I'm using my XX. These are 3XL square and these are the tips. So you can get them on Amazon. I think you can get them on a lot of places. They are very, very popular, but they are this brand here. And I am going to go straight in. I just couldn't wait anymore. I still have neon orange on my nails. Love it. I have a tutorial up of me doing my own nails, but I just couldn't wait to get into the autumn colors. I'm ready. It's the end of August. I am ready. So yeah. Okay, so starting off, we are going to go, this is going to be also like a basic enough autumn nail design. So if you want an easy nail design, just keep watching. There is going to be a little bit of color combination in it and a little bit of glitter and a little bit of marble, but apart from that I would describe it as very, very easy. Okay, so starting off, I went in with my chocolate browns and we have Madam Glam here, and this is We Were on a Break, and we also have Madam Glam in the shade Divine Glam. Okay, now I love both of them. This is more of a true brown. This gorgeous color here has a little bit of a purple undertone. So Divine Glam has a bit of a purple undertone. It's probably my favorite one, but I do not want to go in and use it because I think I probably only have like maybe a third of the bottle left, and I know it's going to be popular in winter. So this one is going to be the one I'm going to use today. Starting off, we're going to do the thumb and the pinky block color of this color, so you're going to get a good look at it. So these are going to be display purpose nails. I am not going to prep the tips or base coat them because these are not going to be sold. These are literally going to be used to take photos and to display the colors and the nail design. So just in case you are wondering why I'm not prepping, that's why. Also, if I was to prep, I would chemically etch the tips, or I would buff the tips and wipe them down with a little bit of acetone. So that is the normal way, and I would go in with a base coat. So they are just the steps we are missing today, but I have a lot of other videos on my channel. If you want to go back and watch that routine, feel free. So this is the color here. Gorgeous, deep, deep chocolate brown. Okay, so now I have 2 coats of that chocolate brown done, and I'm going to grab another Madam Glam gorgeous autumn color, which is called Autumn Aura, and I find it hard to describe this color. Like, it's a nudie beigey color, and that is the way I describe it because I don't feel like it's a brown, but it's a nudie beige color. So I'm going to go in and I wonder will I do the middle finger? Yeah, I think I'll do the middle finger. No, I'm going to do the index, Autumn Aura. And I find this nude a really good full coverage nude. So when I'm using this on clients, I find this so satisfying because the coverage for a nude color like this is really, really good. Also, guys, I hope you're all well and happy. Sorry, I've just been in talking through this tutorial and have not said hello properly. I hope you're all well and happy, and also I hope you are looking forward to autumn, fall, Halloween sets. And I won't say the Christmas word yet, but then Christmas, all these gorgeous festive nails incoming, and I cannot wait. Also, I do have a code for Madam Glam for 35% off. It is Begorgeous35, capital B, capital G, all one word. And I will leave the link in the description box and you can click on it if you want to use it along with any of my other links. So yes, okay, we have the thumb and the pinky done. Like I said, this is going to be easy. When I say easy, I feel like effective but easy, which a lot of my nail sets are. I like being effective but easy. Okay, so I think those colors go nice together. Okay, so next color, this is Clarissa color, and this is the brand, or the name of the color is Winter Wonderland. So this is a gorgeous gold chunky glitter. So it's one of those glitters that's a clear base. So it needs a couple of coats. Okay, second coat of this. Okay, coat number 3 is going on. For the ring finger, this is going to be probably the most detailed nail, and we're going to do marble, and I'm also going to use my blooming gel, which I don't always use for marble, but I think today I'm going to use it. We're going to go in with this here. So this is the V Shine. We're going to go in with the brown, which is we were on a break, the kind of nudie color, which is Autumn Aura, and then we're also going to go in with Madam Glam glitter in 24K, and this is more of a full coverage glitter. I didn't want to use this for the glitter nail, but I think it will work better in the marble because I think it'll stay in its place better. I basically think that other glitter has too much of a clear base for it to be good for marbling, because I think it could just maybe get lost in the marble. And once that's on, we are going to go in with our colors. So first of all, we'll go in with the brown. I'm going to just dab it everywhere and anywhere first of all, until we see where we have to kind of move it. Okay, so we're going to go in with Autumn Aura and we're going to pop it nearly everywhere else, because you kind of do want your base to be fairly nude, okay? So I'm just popping this nearly everywhere, okay? And then I'm going to grab a brush, put it down here, maybe there as well. Okay, now wish me luck with this. I am literally just going to swirl this and kind of bloom it into each other, or marble it into each other. I do not want to do too much. Sorry guys, I had to log off there for a moment, and this was just blooming away on its own because I just had to make some storage. So this was blooming away on its own for 5 minutes and I didn't do anything with it, and this is what it looks like. So it is kind of cool. You can see it just, you know, I helped it along by moving it around, but it did just bloom into each other. Like, it is so cool. I love doing marble designs. I probably could do it moving the gold, so I'm just going to try and move the gold along a little bit like that and pull it down wherever I see any negative space. I'm just going to try and help some color into it. But yeah, this is how it's turning out so far. Absolutely love. And what I usually do is, if I feel like I've played with it too much, I do add more color to just to break up the lines a bit. So often I will be moving the color around like that, and I don't want it to look too liney like it looks now, if that makes sense. So then I just go in and I add more blocks of color and they kind of break it up a little bit. And I'm actually going to add more gold because I think I might need a bit more gold. I'll put the gold here maybe. I actually love this gold. I'm just going to go scoot it up like that. Oh, I kind of love this though. It looks a bit like a dessert. So yeah, that is our marble design, and this is how it ends up looking. I love kind of the way the brown has actually gone to the edges. It kind of has framed it a little bit. And I'm now going to just hold it upside down as well, because the marble and the blooming gel just goes to the edge. We're just going to hold it upside down a bit so that it's not clunking in the one area like this a little bit here, you know what I mean? Okay, that's perfect. And now we're going to and we are going to top coat all of those nails so they are finished, and we're going to go in with a no wipe top coat. If you would like to see something unusual, or if you would like a certain color scheme, pop it down in the comments below. If you want to request a burnt orange or a burgundy autumn nail set yet next, then just let me know down below, and it'll give me ideas and it'll give me some inspo for the next set. I'm going to pop it on my practice hand just to model it for you, but this is how they turned out.